How to make your page public on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your page public on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down, click pages, and then click on your page. You can click this one and you can just click not now, and then click this icon here and click general settings and click this one, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.